going to go get started with our warm-ups first, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow along, keep water close by. All right, Miss Rebecca, we're going to go ahead and get started with our ultimate warm-up. So again, parents, they will be moving in this one, so you want to make sure that you give them ample space or to have them go multiple reps through each exercise. Feel free at any point in time to pause this video and have them do that exercise that we're demonstrating a couple more times before moving on. So Miss Rebecca, first one will be our advanced army crawls. You'll drop down, have those feet up, legs crisscrossed, and then from here, all you're going to do is be able to pull your body utilizing big arm pulls down the mat. Ready? Go. So you see how she's reaching with those arms, keeping it nice and strong, and she goes down. Excellent job. Again, parents, feel free to pause this video and have them go multiple times through that. Next one is our Jack in the Box. So from here, Miss Rebecca will stand up. She'll have her hands in, and she's going to be moving down the mat, stepping and dropping that back knee forward as she moves. Goal here is to keep those hands up and take big steps as she lunges. Hands up, Miss Rebecca, and let's go ahead and get it. Big steps, and you see that back knee gets very close to the ground each time. Excellent job. Again, we're looking for big steps, nice drops, and pause this video if you want your ninja to go a few more times through this one. Next one is going to be Donkey Kongs. From here, Miss Rebecca is going to squat down into a squat position. She's going to walk her body into a push-up position. Now notice how she's walking slow. She's not moving her feet yet. From here, she'll jump both feet into her chest. So knees come in, okay? And then she'll walk her hands back out. And this process continues as she goes down, making sure she really stretches that body on every rep. Excellent job. Again, parents, pause this video, have your ninja go a few more times through this exercise. Finally is our forward crab walk. From here, Miss Rebecca will lift her belly up. We're looking to see high hips, high belt. And from here, Miss Rebecca is going to walk down, keeping her eyes on the prize as she moves down the mat. And excellent job. Again, parents, pause this video and have your ninja go multiple times through any of those exercises if you have not already. All right, parents, and now we're going to go ahead and go back with our mat chat for coordination. Everybody say coordination!
Coordination!
We have 3 tips that are going to help you guys have the best coordination ever. The first thing is everybody say listen!
Listen!
Make sure you guys are listening to every command that you guys are given so that way you can accurately do whatever was asked. Everybody say eyes!
Eyes!
Make sure you have your eyes on whoever is talking to you guys or on whatever you guys are doing so that way you guys can get it done even faster. And everybody say proper parts.
Proper part!
You're going to be using a lot of punches today, so make sure you guys are using the proper part of your hand as you guys are striking, so that way it shows good coordination in every single strike. You guys ready to have some fun today, yes sir?
Yes, sir!
Woo! All right, parents, on to drill number 1 for coordination. This game is called balloon punches. Everybody say balloon punches!
Balloon punches!
So for this drill, parents, you will need a balloon, so make sure you guys have one set up for your ninjas. What's going to happen is we're going to start with the balloon as the parent. We're going to throw it up in the air, and then we're going to call out right or left. Do we say right? They have to punch with their right. When we say left, they have to hit with their left. And we'll keep going with the different sides until the balloon magically falls to the floor. Once that happens, then that'll be their time up. We want to see how many they can get until they actually stop. And they can get all the way up to 5 or even 10, then we can just stop them so they're not going all day long. So, Mr. Hunter, come on up. Let's see what you got. Let me give you your first serve. Right, left, left, right, right. And nice job. We'll stop you at 5. Easy, cheesy. All right, Miss Rebecca. Ready? Right.
Right.
Left.
Left.
Right.
Right.
Left.
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 Oh, yeah.
Oh, and nice job. Easy, cheesy. You could go for 5, 10, 15, or even say go for as many as you can, and I'll be back after doing whatever I have to do. Okay, so that's an easy way to get 5 minutes of free time. There you go. You're welcome. All right, guys. You guys ready for our next game? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir!
Woo! Let's do it. All right, parents, moving up to our second drill. This game is called ladder kicks. Everybody say ladder kicks.
Ladder kick!
For this drill, you won't need anything, parents. Just make sure that you have a little bit of room for your ninjas to kick around. So what we're going to be doing for this one is they're going to start with their hands up, and they're going to be kicking. For this one, we're going to start with the number 1. So they're going to do one kick on each side. They're going to be climbing themselves up the ladder, moving all the way to 10 kicks. So after 1, then they have to go to 2. So they'll go 1, 2, 1, 2. Then they'll continue that process for 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 10. And they'll do this all the way up to that number. Once they finish, then they're all done. What we're looking for here, parents, is that they can do the kicks quickly without mixing up the sides or the count that they are on. So for this one, we'll shorten it a little bit. We'll have all the instructors go, and we're just going to demonstrate 5 of this because if we did a 10, it could be a pretty long video. So instructors, go ahead, stand it on up, turn, and let's face this direction over here a little bit. Beautiful. Okay, so we'll start with our right leg first. Right leg first. Make sure your kicks are at least over belt level. All right, hands up. And when I say go, count loud. Go!
1, 1,
Easy, and that's exactly what we're looking for here, parents. All of them were able to go through quickly, good kicks, and we're able to keep track of the count. Awesome job, instructors. Now we're going on to our final thing in our actual class. This is going to be our stretching, and this is going to be our partner stretches. Remember, parents, at any point in time during this video, pause it to make sure that you guys can get some extra reps with your Ninja, and feel free to join in on some of the stretches. It would be hilarious to see some videos of you guys doing this with your Ninja. So, first one, Miss Rebecca, let's go ahead and drop down. This is going to be our partner straddle stretch. So she's going to sit on her bottom. I'm going to sit down as her parent, and I'm going to put one heel on right below her ankle, and I'm going to slide another one in right below her ankle as well on the other side. From here, we're going to lock arms in, and all I'm going to do is lean forward until Miss Rebecca says stop.
Stop.
And that's going to be her stretch, holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and nice job. From here, Miss Rebecca will bring her feet in to a butterfly position. Now, I'm going to do the same motion as I pull her forward from here. So Miss Rebecca is going to reach, and I'm going to pull her coming down until she says,
Stop.
And holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and excellent job. Next one is going to be our kneeling partner stretch from here. So from here, Miss Rebecca is going to drop down. She's going to be on her knees, and she's going to reach forward. I'm going to be placing my hands on the lower part of her back on this one, pushing forward until she says,
Stop.
and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Don't forget the tickle monster. 1. Haha, got her again. And the sitting elbow stretch from here. So Miss Rebecca is going to reach up with her hands on the back of her head, like she's about to get arrested. Ha ha ha. And then from here, we're going to slowly grab the elbows and pull backwards. You may want to apply a little bit of pressure to the small of the back so that way they're not moving, to keep this moving backwards. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Go for the armpits and time. Excellent job, Miss Rebecca. Those are our partner stretches.